Okay, so we have a Mercedes Vito 63 plate with the fridge, immaculate condition, especially for one of these centre parks. Inside is immaculate. 22,000 miles. I think we've got 2 keys possibly with this one. Controllers inside there. Fridge all works, got LED lighting inside. We'll give it a clean before it goes out. So we'll put that in there as well. It's got twin side loading doors and a tow bar. Open that up as well. So give it a nice little clean inside there. I think they stored some bits and bobs in there. So, but all the fridge works and everything. And another side loading door here. We've got twin side loading doors. Off the side. Interior's fairly clean. And we've got full print out of the service history on this. And it's more or less ready to go. I think we have done a service already on it. So we'll just get a final check over when it gets sold. Okay. Yeah.
Morning, Jonathan. I had scrambled egg, which is what I
6-speed box. Just finish up on the front. Like I say, it's just been parked out of the way for now. And if anybody wants to view it, just give us a call and we'll bring it down to the workshops.